Morning, Ecotone Steve here. Welcome back to Upper Little Patuxent Stream Restoration Project. I want to welcome you guys back out. As you remember, this is our 4,000-foot stream restoration. Behind us, we've got some work going on I want to kind of describe to you guys. In the excavator, we have our superintendent Rich, and what he's currently doing is clearing out the bottom of the stream so we can start putting in some wooded material and rock material. This will help keep the bottom of the stream stabilized as the water flows over. Around the bend, we're going to put in some tow wood material. That's a bunch of root wads and sticks and material that will also be utilized to help keep the stream sides intact as the water flows through. Right now we're putting in a log, as well as you can see. Chris over here is one of our foremen. He's running grade. Basically what he's doing is making sure the elevation of everything we build is up to par with all the plans. Again, this is Ecotone Steve, keeping you informed. Here at one of the bends in our stream, I'm currently standing at one of the logs. This log will be right at water level, so once the stream starts flowing again, the water will barely trickle over this. Behind me, as you can see, we prepared the area for a nice tow wood. What we did, we cut away some of the bank, and now we're sliding in these stream wood material as well as stump material. And what that's going to do is prevent erosion on the bank. As you can see, they're buried a little bit lower. What we're going to do is we're going to come put some clear matting on top of it. We're going to use some soil, and we're going to rebuild the bank up behind me. All right, everybody, here we are. A minute ago, we were just down there at that log, and we kind of moved up to give you a better bird's eye view of what we have going on here at this bend. Below us, we are putting in a bunch of this wooden material, a bunch of rock material. Again, this material will not be seen in the long run. We will cover it up with dirt and make the stream bank. Basically, this is going to be the infrastructure that is going to hold the stream bank together. Here we are a little bit further into the process. Our wooden material is all laid out. We're now covering up that material with dirt. This dirt is going to help to build up our stream bank, and eventually this wooden material is going to be well below our actual stream level. As you can see, we're rolling out this corner matting. What we're going to do is put dirt on this end, be able to pull this matting back up, rebuild this stream bank here. Nice and secure and stabilized. Alright, here we are. We're putting in a bunch of the clear matting as we go around the bend. We're using these stakes here because they're biodegradable. You know, you come back in about 20 years, these are going to be gone. If we use metal staples or things like that, they'd still be here noticeable. These will hold the soil in. We'll also put some grass seed down so eventually grass and some other plant material will grow here to help keep everything in shape. Here we are, we're still at our stream bend, and we're pretty close to finishing this turn right here. I'm currently standing on top of some of our matting. Underneath this is all that wooden material, and root matting and stump matting and stuff that we mentioned earlier. As you can see, it's pretty much buried. When we let the stream start to flow back through, the water level will come pretty much up to about here. Some of these little nooks and crannies are great habitats for fish and other wildlife that live in the stream. We're about finished here. As we continue tomorrow,